New at 10 tonight, an influx of patients have been overcrowding emergency rooms in Tyler. KETK was told just last night there were more than 100 people waiting in the ER. KETK's My Owens explains why doctors say situations like these aren't uncommon this time of year.
In an emergency, the ER can be a life-saving place. But when a rush of people need help at the same time, every second counts.
You can think of the emergency department as the front door of the hospital. And you have a flow in and you need a flow out. And when the flow in exceeds the flow out, then you have to take a step back and say, well, what are we going to do?
This week, patients have reported seeing over 100 people filling Krista's Mother Francis Hospital all in one day.
And I asked them to come to the emergency room for face-to-face and to witness firsthand what was going on. And we put our heads together, put those processes in place.
As a hospital, doctors say it's important to prioritize and be able to work together, making sure everyone is taken care of. The CDC reports the average time a person sits here waiting to see a doctor is around 30 minutes. And when there's an influx of patients, that time can quickly add up. Krista's isn't the only hospital who saw a high number of patients. Less than 2 minutes away, UT Health experienced a spike in the number of people coming into the ER as well.
You know, when we have high volume days, our ER stays at capacity, and it takes the whole hospital and our EMS system working as a team. We do this on a daily basis.
Angela Bowers and her team say the influx is common and shouldn't be a cause for concern.
We still treat patients in the lobby. We don't just stop and make them wait.
With worries of the coronavirus possibly spreading from China to the U.S., health has been a major concern across the nation. But both hospitals stating the high numbers aren't due to any specific illness. My Owens, KETK News.
And while there have been no confirmed cases of the coronavirus here in East Texas, doctors are warning anyone who has recently visited another country and is experiencing flu-like symptoms to let their healthcare provider know immediately.